hey friends.
What's happening?
It's the Beresfords. Okay, so I know y'all missed me last episode. I'm back.
Thank God.
Yes. I miss y'all too. Dean and I are a millennial married couple creating content and connection around the world.
And dropping gems so that you can do it too. We see that you guys are loving the cultural content, so we figured why not just stay immersed in the culture?
Yes. So in this episode, we are taking you to a private tasting for some Caribbean food. We did a community service project, and we also did a cooking class that was so divine. This is the episode that you don't want to miss. Whether you're coming to Bangkok or you just want to understand more of what goes on here, this episode is for you. Take a look.
Hey, all right.
So before we start a class, we have to say hi first. Do you know how to say hi in Thai?
Sawadee.
Okay, everybody, welcome to House of Taste. My name is Jay. This, what is it in front of you? Coconut.
Oh,
So today we're going to make coconut milk. It's going to be in milk soup, curry, and mango stew rice.
This making coconut milk like this is, ingenious. We'll definitely do this.
The real deal.
Brown coconut shavings because it's creamier, and using warm room temperature or hot water to get the milk.
All right, dumping it back in the strainer.
Did that. Yeah.
Coconut cream, and this is the coconut milk.
First dish in the class was the tom kha gai soup. I was curious to see how this one was going to taste because, first off, I've never had this before. I was like, alright, we'll see. So we headed outside, added our ingredients to the wok, and got to whipping. The smell that came off this was so good. Oh my God. And you know, Jay had to come in at the end to add her chef's kiss. The coconut milk that we made earlier is what we used for the soup. And when I tell you, it gave it such a pleasant smell. Oh my God.
This is.
Yo.
You gotta pull up.
You know, we big chefs. What you talking about?
Feel the soup.
So good. If you're feeling the content so far, make sure to hit that like button.
And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, guys. This is what helps us do more of these videos, creating content and connection for you.
That's right.
Yeah, this next meal, we did not get any real content as we were prepping. It was so damn good. Putting it together, the ingredients, everything. I mean, as you can see, we wasted no time devouring it. Pad Thai is definitely one of our favorite Thai dishes.
Green curry and chicken was next up on the list. And for this dish, Jay taught us all how to properly use a mortar and pestle. We all took turns, and you know when it was my turn, I had to show out.
Yeah. Chef Boyardee. Chef Boyardee, we back.
Yes, sir. This dish, they actually took the ingredients back to the kitchen and cooked them themselves and brought it out prepared for us. And this hit just like the last one. Last but not least, we had mango sticky rice. This is Thailand's most popular dessert. The coconut cream that we made earlier was used as a drizzle on the rice. Overall, 10 out of 10 experience. I actually learned how to cook some. Hats off to Chef Jay.
Wow. I feel like I can really cook Thai food now.
I know I can, okay? And I would go again 3 more times. It is that great. The thing that I really enjoy is the staff. They're fun and they're funny. They'll take content for you and they really make the experience enjoyable. On top of all the ingredients that you get to taste, they also send you home with the links and the recipes and the grocery list so that you can enjoy cooking your Thai dishes at home. And we have not done that yet, but we will.
But we will. Give us some credit. Give us some credit. We did try to make a pad thai at the house.
It was out the box. It was out the box. We can't count that, y'all.
I mean, well, they do say that all the ingredients for the cooking class you can find at 7-Eleven.
They do say that.
So, I mean, get it how you live.
We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it one day. We'll record it and let y'all know how that goes. They have multiple locations here. And another cool thing about the House of Taste Cooking School is that if you are considering doing the soft power DTV, the Destination Thailand visa, you can apply at the House of Taste Cooking School. They do group classes and they also do cooking classes, so that will serve as your activity here in Thailand for your DTV. Cool stuff, right? Yeah, we know. But head over to their website and check out more information on that. We have not gone that route, but we do know people that have, and they really enjoyed the cooking classes.
Just make sure you actually go into class, because
we ain't gonna say that.
On another note, a friend of ours invited us to join him on a community service project out here in Bangkok, and we figured why not.
Yeah, it's one of our things. Even when we were in the US, we did community service. So of course, moving abroad wasn't gonna stop us. Our friend had been working with this organization on a few projects. They rebuilt a rooftop. They were putting in a garden up there. I don't know, he was going crazy with them, and we said, hell yeah, let's tap in. What we didn't know was that this experience was gonna be a lot more than we signed up for. Check it out. Hey y'all, we are at the Bangkok Vocational School today in Khlong Toei. We're gonna do a community service volunteer project. It's a whole group of us out here. I don't know exactly what we're getting into today, but we're gonna figure it out and we're gonna have a good time.
Let's get it cracking. Got the fanny pack. Ready. Picking up plastics, picking up trash around the neighborhood, man. Giving back to the community. It's lit.
Got your gloves. Got your gloves.
Got my water.
Yeah, he ready.
You
He ready. Yeah. Alright guys, so the whole group is ready. We're out here. I don't know what the instructions are yet, but we're gonna figure it out just now.
The reality is that this is the biggest slum of Thailand. 140,000 people live here, over 42 communities. We're going to clean up the community from all the plastic that's here. But that's not all. We're also going to use this plastic and turn it back into oil.
Back into oil was such an interesting concept. Actually, this whole community service project was interesting. We started with a warm-up to get ourselves ready, and I should have known then that it was going to be a day. The interesting thing about the Khlong Toei part of Bangkok is we pass it all the time, and Dean and I had not realized that people were living like this right around the corner from where we stay.
Bags, supplies in hand. It is hot, but we are making it happen. The community, all for the community.
They have made this a competition. We are on Team C. 3 teams competing to get first prize for the most trash collected. So we recording going down this alley, but then in a while I'm gonna have to get my hands ready because I like to compete. You feel me? So we up through here, man. This is like real life.
Out here.
All right, we're going halfway full.
Yeah. I have to go get another bag.
Yeah.
Got a little friend here. Sawadee ka, sawadee ka.
All right, man. We are pretty much wrapping up over here. I got about half a bag full. Kanisha just came up.
Yeah.
Overachiever, full bag.
Asking people for their trash.
Yes, sir. Cheat code type shit. All right, we about to regroup at the headquarters and see who came in first place for the recycling collection.
Yeah, we were getting it, okay? It's always interesting to see how people live in their communities, and being one of Bangkok's largest underserved communities, it was eye-opening.
Being expats and living in another country, it's important for us to integrate ourselves by doing community service. Dean was out here interviewing about his experience, and we also went back before we left to see which team won the cleanup challenge. And we killed it. Look at all the bags that we collected for the cleanup.
That's a wrap, y'all. We came, we saw, we conquered. Taking us off.
It started to rain, so we kind of like, we done it.
Yeah, because the rain with the mosquitoes and everything else here, I think we're gonna call it a day.
Trying to eat, man. Straight up.
That part. All right, y'all.
After being outside all day, cleaning up trash in the rain, we were famished. So we went home, got cleaned up, and time to enjoy a lovely meal. We were invited by Victor of Jerk BKK for a private tasting at their kitchen, and it did not disappoint. We got to try basically everything on the menu, and thank God we did because we had all the space in our bellies for it.
One is vegan.
All right.
Okay.
Recipe.
You gotta tell me twice. Right.
Good.
Yeah.
I like that it's not too intense. It's not like a strong, super strong spicy taste. Out of chicken, y'all.
It's butter.
Yeah.
Jerking my mouth off.
Pause. Big pause. Yes, sir. Fire though.
Getting into it.
I can dig it.
Finger with it.
So, we got some more food coming up. Alright, now it's time for the beef patty. This one's crucial. You know, look good, nice golden. Nice stuff is coming out. Alright, here we go.
Alright. So it's a beef patty, and I don't normally eat beef, so I'm gonna split one with you today. This is probably gonna take a bite off the end. How's it?
This bad food.
Okay.
Different kind of flakiness. Different kind of flakiness. Taste good. But overall, the taste of it is good. The beef inside tastes really good too.
First beef patty and mad long.
This is fire though.
Yeah.
Very juicy.
Oh, there's more? There's more. Oh, thank you so much.
Wow.
This is the jerk chicken. Oh, I get the GoPro.
We also got some jerk sauce on the side and some pineapple sauce.
Yeah. It's going crazy. It's good?
Kick on it.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Love that.
Rice and peas pretty good. Oh yeah, this him.
Seeing what we
Wow.
started with.
This is amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so where did your background with cooking jerk come from? Where did it come from?
I grew up in England.
Ah,
Used to eat this all the time.
yeah.
Very good.
This is the best Korean food I've had in Thailand so far. I've been critical here. Both of my parents are Jamaican.
I was nervous when you when she told me she's
Yeah.
Jamaican. I'm like, I hope.
And honest too. This is really
Very,
like,
very honest.
yeah, it's
It's
good.
the perfect amount of spicy. It's not taking my mouth off, but it's spicy enough to be like,
Yeah,
like.
you can
That's
feel
good,
it.
yeah.
Man, that was a lot of food. What better way to wash it down than with a nice cold beer? We headed to Das Lager, a cool pub out here in Bangkok that features things like anime characters, collectibles. The decor in here is really nice too. When I saw those Pokemon figures on the wall, it took me right back to 6th grade. Nostalgia vibes for sure.
Man, there's so much to do out here in Bangkok.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
This non-stop action, if you need it and you want to do it, is somewhere out here.
Where we cannot stress the importance of getting on these socials and connecting to people and finding a tribe. That's literally how we found everybody that we mess with out here in Bangkok.
Absolutely. Dean and I are not in all the group chats, but we're very intentional about the community that we've built here. And as you can see, it pays off every single episode. And there's so much more behind the scenes that you don't get to see. Like, we met our homeboy that we volunteered with online, even though we lived in the same city back home. Even the person, Victor, who owns Jerk BKK, we met him on Instagram. And that all came together so beautifully. So don't escape connection online. It is so integral to find your tribe. Speaking of Jerk BKK though, that is actually not a restaurant. Jerk BKK focuses on takeout orders only. You can find them on Grab and Line here in Bangkok. And they specialize in cooking for events. So if you have an event that you're doing here in Bangkok and you want some Caribbean food, tap in with Jerk BKK on social media so that you can order. Oh, and they ship patties too. I just found that out.
Hey.
You never know. That's it for this episode, friends. Thank you so much for tapping in with us. Stay tuned because next week we are taking you shopping.
That's right. We are going to be mall hopping here in Bangkok. We're going to take you to our favorite 4 malls out here in Bangkok. It's going to be a grand tour.
Yes. The malls here are ornate as hell. And any given day, you could be walking into a basketball tournament. You could be walking into an animal farm. You just never know. So you definitely don't want to miss this. If you plan on coming to Thailand and you want to do some shopping, next week's episode is just for you.
As always, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Also, friends, if you've seen anything cool in Bangkok and you want us to check it out, make sure you drop it in the comments. We will pull up and pop out so that we can film that experience for you. If you love our content, buy us a slice. Click the link in our description and treat Dean and I to something nice like a slice. We would appreciate it. Thank you again in advance for all of the love and support. Until next time, beautiful friends. Peace.